Hi, and welcome to evalink Tutorials. Together, we will add and set up a new integration, the Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver, into your evalink talos account. From your evalink talos dashboard, navigate to the menu Company and click on the tab Integrations. Search for Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver and click on Add Integration. Then, click on the Submit button. Now, the next step is to enable and configure the Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver on your site so that you can allow communication between your Vanderbilt alarm panel and evalink talos. To add the Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver integration to a site, navigate to the menu Sites, pick the site to configure, click on the tab Integrations, and then click on FlexC Receiver. To enable the Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver, click on the button Enable Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver. Then, select the applicable options, set your Vanderbilt SPC username and password, and click on Submit. evalink talos provides all the technical information you need to configure your Vanderbilt alarm panel. You can now add the IP addresses, the ports, and the encryption key details to establish the communication with evalink talos. Do you need to connect the Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver onto more than one site? Just go back to the menu Sites and repeat the process. And that's it! You have now added and set up the Virtual Vanderbilt SPC Receiver integration into your evalink talos account, where you can manage alarms from Vanderbilt alarm panels quickly and efficiently.